Hello everyone. In this video we will learn about data visualization, how we can visualize our data in the form of graph and plots. You can create graph and charts to represent the data graphically. Sometimes it is very difficult to analyze spreadsheets containing huge amount of data. For example, analyzing the academic performance of students of a school over the past 10 years. Such analysis can be done effectively by using charts, which provides a visual representation of data. Various types of charts can be created in MS Excel. It offers a choice of many chart types such as bar chart, column chart, pie chart, area chart, line chart, etc. Each of the chart types has several subtypes. Following are the steps required to insert a chart. Step 1. Select the data which is to be included in the chart. Step 2. Go to the Insert menu and select the chart option. Or another way is to click the chart icon in the standard toolbar. Step 3. Chart Wizard dialog box is displayed, which is used to insert various options related to the chart such as the type of chart, data range, data series and elements of the chart. Step 4. Select the chart type, column chart or bar chart or pie chart, etc. and click on the Finish button. Let us create different type of charts for the following data. In this example, I have taken the monthly expenditure of a firm for the year. A column chart is used to compare values across categories by using vertical bars. The column chart can be inserted by selecting the column option in the chart type of the chart wizard. Now, what is a bar chart? A bar chart is the horizontal version of a column chart. It is used if you have large text labels. Pie chart. A pie chart is used to display the contribution of each value to the total pie, that is, can be used to plot various pieces of a single entity. Line chart. A line chart is used to compare trends and changes in values over time. Scatter chart. A scatter chart is used to display relationship between variables. Few important terms. Legends. Most commonly located on the right of the chart. Legends help the readers of the chart to decide the charted data by associating descriptive text with the colors or patterns of the data in the chart. Next is grids. To make the data in a chart that displays axes easier to read, you can display horizontal and vertical chart grids. You can also resize and move charts, delete the chart or modify the chart.